So try to just to work it slowly. Just work it slowly out. It's a plastic. It's from another car, so it's not the original. And just be careful when you remove those valves. Don't let your driver pulling tool here, because this one here is very thin, so you can damage this. Take it on back here, back here, or on this side. So it doesn't matter if I lose it, it's not so important, but I got it here. Now here we have the return, which returns the fuel to the tank. So you have to hear a click when you install it. Sometimes you can there is O-rings here, as you can see. It's very small little O-rings there, rubber rings, so be careful. Sometimes if it gets worn, you got diesel leak, fuel leak, so like that. So I have to wipe a little bit around just to know if it comes any leak. So I'm gonna remove the swans. We don't need it. Now we're gonna install the clips, or before that we're gonna use a 15mm wrench and just tighten this nut here. Sorry, just a little bit like that. And now take the clips. Where is the new one? Here's the new one. As you can see, you have to be careful. So if it can be a little bit hard, like that. And the second one, try not to lose that clip because it's very, very important. The last one. Go. And what's this clips here? It's stainless steel, so if you use it, you can't pick it up with a magnet. So now the moment of truth.
Huh?
Yeah.